Indaba yesalari kaPitso Mosimane kuSAFA bafowethu iyinkinga-ke eserious. Sokungene ne-EFF yakhipha istatement ukuthi why uPitso Mosimane engatholi imali ehlakaniphile noma imali e-right cause lo muntu lona une-experience. Asingeneni ku-statement se-EFF bafowethu sis-understand ukuthi bathini, bayakhala laphana ku-EFF. So bathi-ke bona bayi-EFF bakhiphe istatement sokuthi le decision lena yeSAFA yokuthi offer uPitso Mosimane imali encane as ucoach one-experience laphana o-achieve izinto ey'nkulu ebholeni lase-South Africa even on the continent and futhi is one of the most successful coaches well in the history of i-continent yethu which is i-Africa. Bathi le offer lena eripotiwe bafowethu i-undervaluation of uPitso Mosimane compared with the previous coach obecoacha laphana kuBafana Bafana kuleya position. Bathi-ke iSAFA ama-reports ayaqhubeka laphana bathi iSAFA i-offere uPitso Mosimane i-improve offer but bathi still naleyo offer leyo bafethu ayifiki ezingeni lakaPitso Mosimane noma le mali leyo uPitso Mosimane bekumele ayihole laphana. Bathi bona as i-EFF lento lena ngeke bayivume, bathi uPitso Mosimane uyi-coach laphana one-experience, not like ukuthi uPitso Mosimane akanayo experience. Uthi-ke akusiwu coach lona bamnika i-opportunity yokuqala ukuthi acoache laphana ku-international level, bathi-ke wacoacha laphana kuBafana Bafana and has since built one of the most decorated coaches career in African football, basho kanjalo. But he led Mamelodi Sundowns to their first CAF Champions League title in 2016 before moving to Al Ahly, where he won back-to-back CAF Champions League titles in 2020 and 2021. Siyaqhubeka-ke statement bafowethu laphana bathi-ke he has therefore won the Premier Club competition in African football 3 times, making him one of the most successful coaches in the history of the competition. But he has also won CAF Super Cup, domestic league titles, and other major honors in both South Africa and Egypt. But ke ku difficult ukuthi bona ba understand ukuthi why iSAFA noma iSAFA ifike kanjani kule valuation kaPitso Mosimane lower than le bebayiholela ulo coach owumlungu bafethu omhlophe laphana ku-same position which is the head coach of iBafana Bafana. Bathi umbuzo omkhulu ekumele bawubuze ukuthi why is a South African coach with 3 CAF Champions League titles being offered imali less than eyomlungu oyi-foreigner laphana. Bayaqhubeka bathi lento lena bafethu babuza ama-questions a-serious laphana ngendaba ze-race ukuthi why abantu abamnyama base-South Africa. Bathi for decades black professionals have been expected to achieve more while being paid less. Okay, so ngena indaba ze-racism but asiqhubeke ne-statement sakhona. Bathi abelungu-ke bona bavele babanike i-valuation enkulu compared to abantu abamnyama. Bathi-ke treatment kaPitso Mosimane bafethu iya-riska ukureproducer exactly this mentality within the South African football. Well, we have seen even kuBetway Premiership our local teams go for international coaches and bayaba respecta. When you look at the teams abafana nabo Chippa, okay, thingangeni kwindaba ye-PSL asivale njenge-statement se-EFF kuJohnny 10 bafethu. Bathi it cannot be ukuthi mekufika ucoach wase-Europe bafethu coach iBafana Bafana, iSAFA-ke izothola ama-resources ukuthi imrecognize lo muntu lona imkhokhele imali engcono e-right ehlakaniphile. But-ke mawucoach omuntu omnyama walana eSouth Africa futhi with an extraordinary record but-ke ku-same position but i-value yakhe iyadropa futhi not kancane idropa kakhulu. Bathi-ke batibona ezi-EFF bayi-rejecta lento lena yokuthi ama-Africans abawahloniphi laphana kumele bawathole nge-discount if kuba yiwo abakuma-position while amalona abelungu bona bavele nje banikwa into e-right laphana. So bathi EFF bathini lana bathi EFF calls on SAFA to immediately review its offer to Pitso Mosimane and ensure ukuthi uPitso Mosimane bafowethu uthola ilokhunjana into noma isalary ayideservayo ehambiselana nestandard sakhe bafowethu, hayi lento lokuthi bamcindezele bangamboni. But for mina ngicela ukuzibamba lana bafowethu, angazi ukuthi ngicabangani nge-EFF ukuthi nayo seyingenelele kulento kaPitso Mosimane, ucoach obalulekile ebholeni lase-South Africa, not just e-South Africa, on the continent, bamazi from Cape to Cairo. uPitso Mosimane on a podcast. But-ke mina what I don't understand ukuthi uPitso Mosimane uthena akasa-apply for imisebenzi. If iSAFA beyimhlonipha, ngixolise bafethu ngaphandle kunomsindo. But no, ithi ngibambe la ngeke.